Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Infinitepay.io for educational services. Whether you are an educator or a student, Infinitepay.io provides a secure platform to handle payments for courses, tutoring and other educational services. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Infinitepay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the educational services or payment section. This is where you can manage and process payments related to educational services. To receive payments for educational services, create an invoice or payment request through Infinitepay.io. Include details such as the course name, service description, amount due, and payment terms. Now, to make a payment for educational services, select on Send Payment option and after that enter the recipient's details including their payment information and the amount to be paid. Now review the payment details and confirm that transaction. Make sure to include any references or notes relevant to the educational services being paid for. Now track and manage payments through the Infinitepay.io dashboard. You can monitor payment statuses, view transaction history and addresses any issues that may arise. Ensure that both parties have set up their payment details correctly to facilitate smooth and secure transactions. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use Infinitepay.io for educational services. This platform helps you manage and process payments for educational activities efficiently and securely. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.